Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for mushroom lovers and home gardeners alike. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Today, we're reviewing the Back to the Roots Organic Oyster Mushroom Grow Kit. This innovative kit allows you to grow your own gourmet mushrooms right at home, and the best part? You can start harvesting in just 10 days. So, what exactly is this product? The Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Grow Kit is a complete package designed for anyone who wants to cultivate their own mushrooms indoors. It comes with everything you need, including organic plant-based soil infused with mushroom spawn and a handy booklet filled with instructions to guide you through the process. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First and foremost, it's 100% organic and non-GMO. This means you won't have to worry about any harmful chemicals or genetically modified organisms in your mushrooms, making them safe to cook with and enjoy in your favorite dishes. Whether you're sautéing them for a pasta dish, adding them to a stir-fry, or even using them in soups, these mushrooms will elevate your meals. Another great aspect of this kit is that you can grow mushrooms all year round. All you need to do is place the box near a window where it can receive indirect light and mist it twice a day. It's that simple. Within a week, you'll start seeing beautiful oyster mushrooms sprouting, ready for you to enjoy. One of the best things about mushrooms is how easy they are to grow indoors. The Back to the Roots kit streamlines the process. Just open the box, spray daily with the included mister, and in no time, you'll be ready to harvest. Each crop can yield 3 to 4 servings of mushrooms, and you can even grow up to 2 crops from a single kit, maximizing your yield and enjoyment. This mushroom growing kit is perfect for a wide range of people. Are you a culinary enthusiast looking to add fresh ingredients to your dishes? This kit is for you. Do you have friends or family members who love gardening or cooking? This makes a wonderful gift. The packaging is beautiful, ready to be presented, and it's a thoughtful option for anyone who appreciates eco-friendly products. Plus, it's part of the Grow One Give One campaign. By sharing a picture of your mushrooms on social media and tagging the brand, they'll donate a kit to a classroom of your choice, allowing kids to learn about growing food. In terms of practical use cases, think about how satisfying it would be to incorporate homegrown mushrooms into your meals. You can impress your dinner guests with a gourmet dish featuring your very own mushrooms. Or imagine the joy of sharing this experience with your children, teaching them about gardening and healthy eating in a fun and engaging way. The kit is made in the USA and comes with a guaranteed growth promise. If for any reason you're not satisfied, you can reach out for a replacement, ensuring your mushroom growing experience is successful. In summary, the Back to the Roots Organic Oyster Mushroom Grow Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to bring a little bit of nature into their home. It's easy to use, organic, and a great way to enjoy fresh mushrooms in your cooking. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.